How to delete your Facebook account on iPhone or Android. So if you want to delete your Facebook account, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. It's the same process in either iPhone or Android. Once you're here on the Facebook, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Scroll down, go for settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go for the account center, which is on the first, and then scroll down and tap on personal details. Under personal details, you need to go for account ownership and control, and then tap on deactivation or deletion. And now choose the Facebook account and tap on delete account and tap on continue. And here you need to again tap on continue. So if you have any pages related to on your Facebook account, then those pages will also be deleted. So if you want to delete, then simply tap on continue and then choose a reason why you would like to delete your account, and then tap on continue again, and again tap on continue, and now scroll down and again tap on continue. And now this is the last step. You need to enter your password to continue. So you just need to enter your Facebook password, and once you've entered, you can tap on continue and your account will be deleted. So make sure to not log back into your account within a month, because if you log back into your account, then your account will be reactivated and it won't be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Facebook account on your iPhone or Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.